instead we're selling all my brain rot. I'm starting from 1 to 0. We have to leave it. Oh, we don't have the brain rot. So instead, we're gonna sell everything in our base, which I'm so not excited to do. So we're done. Oh, that is bad. It makes so much money. Next, mythics. I don't really need mythics anymore. Guys, I was rich, so rich. Actually, instead, we're keeping the speed. No, guys, but some of these brain rots my friends gave me, so I'm not deleting all of them. I'm only deleting some of them because my friends actually gave me them, and I don't want to delete brain rots which my friends gave me. Yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm done selling everything. So now, what is this? Now, what is this? Oh my god, guys, I've got so much. I can only teleport up to legendary, so should I use it? Fine, I'll use it. But I'm gonna have to wait until the lava's gone. No, nah, I'm no flipping way. I'm just teleporting there. So let's go! Ah, guys. Uh, the the good thing about this is that I can like do and like you know. So we're gonna try and like get a celestial because that's our goal. Yeah. I'm already at mythic. Oh, I nearly died. Please no explain. I don't know what you call it, but anyway. Off we go. So excited. Why am I actually excited? Guys, did I just get an Easter egg? This is actually a good secret, but I'm like, no, what? No, I forgot that there was an overflow. Oh, I didn't just die, guys. Well, I guess that means we're gonna have to go all the way again. How cool is that? Oh, I thought it would see overflow and like I forgot that I was in hell. Have I got another green rainbow? Anything cheese? Blood mean emerald? Oh my god, guys. I knew this. Overflowing rare. Luckily, I'm not. Like, we're nearly to celestial. Like, with my jumps, you can get celestial. Really good. And a celestial. This video might end really quickly. Sorry. I'm just a sick man. Oh, what, guys? What did I just say? I did not just say I'm sick. Oh, that's a girl. But anyway, why am I even saying that in my own? Guys, I got the celestial. This video is gonna end. Next, let's try and I don't know. So we have to get. Let's try and get 10 celestial. That would be good. Please no overflow. If there's an overflow, I have to do the celestial. Please no overflow. I'll let you have to leave it so that I can come back for it. So off we go. Probably like, are you just doing, guys? The lava's coming. Yes, I got it. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my god, guys, I can't believe I actually got the celestial. So now, okay, this person's wanting to say hi to me. Hi. What do you want? Wait, what? What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why do I have? No. Okay, guys, I'm really sorry. This might be one of my. Okay, guys, I'm really sorry about that. Anyways, another celestial spawned whilst I was talking that bad. That bad. This challenge. No race. No, guys, I didn't want to. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. This is so bad. I did not want to race him. But anyways, it's fine. It's still normal, right? No. But anyway, I am gonna. Brain. I'm grabbing this right away. Giving away my rarest brain rock. Giving me this. What are we getting? All the way to Celestial. No, we're not. Two. That is not fair, guys. Is that even fair? Right when the thing started, I died. Guys, there's no way. Guys, he's got a bigger jump than me. No, I have, but I don't know how he's winning though. Oh my god, I hate him. I don't actually. If it's one of you guys, I'm sorry, I don't hate him. Just because I'm losing, so I don't actually hate him. So I am a nice person. Guys, he's made it. It's not fair. He's made it. It's so not fair, guys. Now he gets my brain up, which I worked hard for. Oh no. Come on. Please, no. No. definitely one. Well, anyways, not fair. I hate it. Put this one. No, I am putting anything in there, guys. But anyways, so since we're teleporting, I'm basically like I basically lost, which is very sad, but it's weird. It's weird. I guess it's not even that good. So guys, comment your username and in the comments, and then I'll add you. And I'm doing a giveaway, but not for this. Anyone who wants this.